वो ऊपर उनका जो चेस्ट है वहाँ तक।
Are we going there?
Yeah, we'll go on top.
Yeah, we'll go top.
Yeah, that's the biggest.
And we are the it's bigger than a mountain.
Right.
Unfortunately, everything is sold out, so we can't go on top. You can see the statue behind me. So they have two type of ticket. One is the normal ticket, which is 150, that will take you till the feet. That is available, that is common ticket. The another one is till the chest, the viewing gallery. In that you have two variety. One is 380 and another one is the express entry, which is 1030. It is, and I think only two slots are there, 2 to 4 and 4 to 6. Both slots are sold out, so we can't go there. And then I feel 150, if you go, you will have to walk a lot till go there, and you can't go up, so we are dropping the plan. Okay, so you यहीं से देखते हैं जो भी है. It's huge, you can see behind. सिंस हमें टिकट मिला नहीं व्यूइंग गैलरी के लिए, तो हमने डिसाइड किया कि फीट तक जाने का कोई मतलब नहीं है. सो लेट्स गो बैक. सो आप इधर से आओगे स्टैचू ऑफ यूनिटी के लिए. ये पार्किंग एरिया है इधर. दिस वे इज़ पार्किंग, पेड पार्किंग, 50 रुपीज़ पर कार. एंड देन दिस इज़ हेल्प डेस्क. अगर आपको बस से जाना है तो यू हैव टू स्टैंड इन द क्यू, एंड यहाँ से फ्री वॉल्वो बस लेके जाती है. इफ़ नॉट वॉल्वो देन यू हैव दीज टैक्सीज और पिंक टैक्सीज. 110 रुपीज़ लेती है 4 लोगों की. Rush here today because of Sunday. Different adventures हैं. You can book all these things. Golf cart tour. You have ATM as well, so you can, if you need, you can withdraw cash, because यहाँ पे either cash or card भी allowed है. 5:21 currently. We'll reach Ahmedabad by 9 p.m. It is 181 kilometer from here. It will take probably around 3.5 hours. Experience was good at Statue of Unity. Just that we couldn't get the ticket for a gallery view. But yeah, it was nice experience. And I feel it's better to stay for a day here if you want to explore everything. You will have to, at least a day you have to spend, one night minimum. बाकी सब was good. हम लंच के लिए रुक गए. Because of that it took little time. But yeah. अब आगे देखते हैं कैसा रहता है अहमदाबाद का ट्रैफिक. एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए यहाँ बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. Why I'm saying, you need at least a day, one night you have to stay, because not only Statue of Unity, but you have other activities to explore.
Especially for kids. If you're coming with kids, it's like lot of exciting activities. You have children's nutrition park, cactus garden, butterfly garden, jungle safari, lots and lots of activities that kids can enjoy. And then you will feel, okay, one day itself was not sufficient that we could cover everything. So definitely we would recommend कि आप stay करें. यहाँ पे अच्छे से अच्छे होटल हैं आपके पास, बहुत ही options हैं, even budget hotels हैं पास में ही उस particular area में जहाँ आप stay कर सकते हैं. तो you will never run out of options. So our recommendation will be that you book your tickets online. I think we really couldn't book them online, and that's the reason everything was sold out and we couldn't get the gallery view. But then I think हम लोग अगर पहले से online book करके वो उसको पहले से plan करेंगे तो it will really help us in terms of covering all the activities that's there in the entire area.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah, I think because we never thought that ticket would be so challenging, and especially because of the vacation,
The holidays time. Yeah.
Holiday time.
It's kids' holiday.
Yeah.
It's like the crowd is more. A lot of people.
I think it is sold out for almost.
Yeah.
couple of
People have
weeks.
booked it like 2 months in advance, and they have got a chance now, which we did not see it coming. So our recommendation will be that, especially if you're coming during the holiday time or some festival holidays, it's better to book it online. Lovely website it is. It will just walk you through. You can very well book it.
Okay, next time we'll.
Yeah,
plan.
we'll definitely plan whenever we are coming next time. I think it's better we stay here.
Yeah,
Right.
we'll stay here. We'll plan. We'll book it in advance. Tickets. And we'll explore all the activities, and especially if you love to do river rafting, there is an option.
Adventurous activities.
Yeah, there is an option for that as well.
Yeah. There's a yacht that you can do. If you want to just go for normal boating, you can. River rafting is there. So it's amazing the way it's built and thought about.
And then the entire area is so clean, right? And then that's the reason they will stop your vehicle almost 6-7 kilometer before the statue, and then because they don't want to
Mess up the place with any sort of a pollution.
Only
I think the best part what I enjoyed was the pink autos.
Yeah.
I just loved it. So we have this thing available here, and it's the women drivers who will take you around. So if you're coming by your own vehicle, you put your car in the parking, and we paid $110 from our parking to go to the place where we have this statue, and there were these women drivers who will be ready to take you and get you back. So that was very convenient.
If you don't want to stand in queue for the free
Bus.
Volvo buses,
Yeah.
then yeah,
You can
try.
take that as option. You have packages where you can book them even for 4 hours or 8 hours, and they'll take you around for each and every activity, so that you have someone with you to kind of that you don't have to walk, because otherwise it's a lot of walking from one place to another.
Yeah. Okay, nice experience. As I said, right? Next time we'll plan in advance, and then we'll explore.
Our kids loved it, and they always want to go back again. So we'll definitely have one more round of this particular visit, especially. But yeah, we are sharing our experience so that it helps all of you to plan things up in advance.
Okay, let's.
We'll keep you updated now for our Ahmedabad. Once we reach there, we are on the road driving, so we'll catch you up soon with more updates, right?
Yep.
We have reached Ahmedabad, just
Trying to
about to reach the hotel. Yeah. We'll definitely share glimpses of the city with you. Beautiful city. In fact, we have come first time here.
Yeah.
So totally planned and well maintained in terms of cleanliness.
Our hotel is about 400 meters from here. Just 1 minute, we should be reaching.
We had planned in such a way that we take something which is very close to the highway, because it will be, being on road trips, you do not want to get into the city too much. It always makes it easier if you are able to stay somewhere that's very close to the highway. So that's how we choose and decide our place of stay. Okay, I think we are almost there. Yeah, is this the one? Where do we have entry? This is the exit, I guess.
एंट्री कौन सा भी?
होटल में
Yeah.
हाँ.
अब आदमी
Oh, अच्छा वो मुझे exit है. Okay.
पार्किंग सब होता है
Done. Thank you. Okay, we came the wrong way, so let us go to the other side only. So this is our hotel, Renaissance Ahmedabad. I think it's all the decoration for the Christmas and New Year. Okay, so we have reached. We will offboard ourselves and will connect with you shortly.
Okay, finally we completed our check-in process and now inside the room. Let me give you a quick tour of our room. So this is how it looks. So enough space is there. Lights are there. This is shower area. Yeah, that's about it.